So you're given this. You're given that x is greater than or equal to 0. You're given y is greater than or equal to 0. And you're given x plus 2y is less than 4. Okay, so for these problems, you really only need, you don't necessarily need the inequality when they're asking for the rectangle or the triangle, because typically the triangle is obvious, but we'll take that into account here in a second. So x greater than or equal to 0. Well, that is the y-axis, because here's x equals 0, and there's the graph right there. And it's greater than or equal to, so we're going to shade to the right. I'm not going to shade yet, so my drawing doesn't get too ugly. Y greater than or equal to 0, that is the x-axis, and it's going to be above that. Okay, so right now we're down into this quadrant right here. All right, and then the last thing is this linear inequality right here, x plus 2y is less than 4, so we're going to solve that for y so we can actually graph it. So I get 2y is less than 4 minus x, divide both sides by 2, and so I get y is less than 4 divided by 2 is 2, minus 1/2 x. Okay, so this triangle is going to have a slope-intercept, excuse me, it's going to have a y-intercept of 2, right here, and then it's going to have a slope of negative 1/2, so that's down 1 over 2, down 1 over 2, so 1, 2, 3, 4, I think that's all we'll need. So we'll go down 1 and over 2, there's a point, down 1 and over 2, there's another point, and then it's a dotted line. Okay, so the shading would be in here. Okay, now the question is asking you for the points of the triangle, the coordinates of the vertices of the triangle. So we've got 3 of them. We got one right here, one right here, one right here. And you can see that those points are, if we list them out, 0, 0, 4, 0, and 0, 2. So I want to show you this, and that's pretty much it. I want to show this to you on Desmos as well, because this problem is even quicker if you use Desmos. So let me show you how to do that as well. But if you don't have Desmos, or if you're not using Desmos, you don't want to, that's fine. Graph paper works great, because then you don't have to worry about the tick marks being in the right spot, or when you count for the slope. There is graph paper in the back of all of your packets, a little bit of graph paper. But anyway, that's how you do that one.